Christ was the image of love and kindness. People decorate their houses with pints and lights on this day. Kids wear new clothes and receive gifts. People dress up like Santa Claus and greet each other. This festival is celebrated by Christians and other religions. Also, in India, there is holiday on Christmas. This festival teaches us to love and help everyone. We must celebrate. We must follow the teachings of Jesus Christ. Thank you. Good morning to the respected principal, teachers and my dear friend. I am Simapit Kaur from UKG A. I would like to speak few words about Christmas. India is known to be a country of festivals. We Indians celebrate numerous festivals with religious, cultural and seasonal background. Christmas is most important festival of Christians. Christmas is compound word meaning Xmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th of December every year by the millions of people around the world. Jesus has born at the home of Father Joseph and Mother Mary on this day. People remember him and prayer in this day. We decorate our houses and Christmas tree with beautiful gifts. Children receive gifts from Santa Claus. We all sing songs together. We have a holiday at Christmas. I wish you all Merry Christmas. Thank you. Have a nice
हम चरवाहे नाचे झूम के, चरवाहे नाचे झूम के। आज सभी गा रहे सुर मिला रहे, आज सभी गा रहे सुर मिला रहे, मिलके करे वंदना। चरवाहे नाचे झूम के, चरवाहे नाचे झूम के। राजा का जन्म हुआ पाई खबर, शांति वो लाया हमें भूपर। राजा का जन्म हुआ पाई खबर, शांति वो लाया हमें भूपर। ईश्वर मनुष्य बना बाल यीशु जन्मा, आया मुक्ति दाता बनकर। चरवाहे नाचे झूम के, चरवाहे नाचे झूम।
Good morning all of you. I the Tranch Goel of UKGB. Today I will give a speech on Christmas Day. Christmas is the festival that celebrates the birthday of Jesus Christ. It falls on 25th December every year. Holiday is declared on this day. People decorate their home. People keep Christmas tree on their home. Many Christians conduct carol. Happy Christmas and Happy New Year all of you. I Hello ma'am, my name is Suhavi. I study in UKGB. Christmas is a famous festival that gets celebrated by Christians. Jesus is born on this day. Christians celebrate this festival on 25th December each year. Christians also decorate Christmas tree. Christmas is a wonderful and holy festival. Christians sing prayer together on this special occasion. Merry Christmas to all. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Advita Bava. I study in UKGB. Merry Christmas everyone. Christmas is a festival of joy and peace. Jesus Christ was born on this day. It is celebrated on 25th of December every year. People bring Christmas tree to their home. It is decorated with colorful balls and red socks. Santa Claus gives gifts to kids. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Bansal. I study in UKGC. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Santa Claus is coming along, riding on a sleigh. Christmas is a festival of happiness. It is celebrated on 25th December every year. Jesus Christ was born on this day. Churches and houses are decorated with lights. Candles are lit everywhere. Christmas tree is also decorated. People exchange gifts with loved ones. Santa Claus gives gifts to children. There are Christmas feasts and parties. Christmas is a symbol of love, peace, and humanity. Merry Christmas!
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Rudavi Singh Kaushal. My class is UKGC. I am going to tell you about Christmas. Christmas is a famous festival that's celebrated by Christians all over the world. It is celebrated on 25th December every year. Do you know why people celebrate Christmas? I tell you, Jesus has born on this day. Jesus' birth was miracle of God. He was sent by the God from heaven to save mankind. People celebrate Christmas by hanging stars, by hanging jingle bells and decorating Christmas tree. Children wait for Santa for their gifts. Thank you, ma'am. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye.
Good morning, my dear teachers and friends. My name is Sidhu. I study in UKGC. Today, I will tell you about Christmas Day. Christmas is celebrated on 25 December of every year. It is celebrated as birthday of Jesus Christ. On this day, people decorate their houses, church, and Xmas trees. Children wait for Santa Claus for gifts and sing Christmas songs. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what a fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what a fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Bye bye. Have a
Good morning, ma'am. I am a boy. My name is Paravinder. I am 5 years old. I go to Little Flower Government School. I live in Swamp City. My topic is Christmas. Christmas celebrate on 25 December. On this day, we celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. On this day, people go to church and sing holy songs. People singing, dancing, and meet each other during Christmas. People also offer gifts to friends and family. Children enjoy the day of Christmas. Children wait for Santa Claus to come their house. We light up our house and tree. We go on a picnic with family and friends. We light up. We celebrate Christmas with love. Bye bye.